Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am showing you this Homecube pencil case and I find out how many pens I can fit into it. I hope you will enjoy this video. I recently bought this Homecube pencil case on Amazon because I was looking for a pencil case which has enough room for pencils and my pro markers, as they are quite big. I had a look at a few pencil cases and this had fairly good reviews and I like the size and color. They also sell this one in smaller, without a handle, and you can choose between blue, black and green. As you can see, this pencil case has quite a lot of compartments and places where you can keep your pens and pencils and other stationery supplies. Let's see what I could fit into this pencil case. Three packs of ink cartridges, two erasers and another ink cartridge for my pencil brush pen, and a pencil sharpener. I managed to fit 16 pens including a pencil into this first compartment. I also added post-it notes and one wax resist stick. I was able to fit 13 Pro marker pens into the second compartment. I was hoping to get my 6 brush markers in as well, but I didn't want to push it. I also could fit in some scissors. These markers are quite big, so I expect to be able to fit double the amount of pencils into this compartment. Let's see if you can also fit this A6 sketchbook into this pencil case. And the answer is yes, you can, but you will struggle closing it and I wouldn't recommend it unless the sketchbook would be thinner. I have to say I quite like this new addition to my art supplies and it will come in handy when I go on holidays. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below. And if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time.